My favorite candy. Oh, yeah.
Reese Pieces.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another mukbang. Looks like we're having breakfast today. IHOP, or I guess we found out IHOB.
As of yesterday.
International House of Burgers now.
Mm-hmm. No burgers here, though. No burgers today.
Not today.
I got the banana Nutella crepes and their hash browns. Nugs, what'd you get?
Tall stack, buttermilk, birthday cake, cupcake, pancake,
Cupcake
pancake, cupcake pancake,
and then it has like a
freaking icing on it, man.
as the freaking syrup or sauce for it, so that looks good.
This is not from IHOP, and neither is this. I made this. That is cream, kind of. It's creamy scrambled eggs. And this
it's a really creamy.
And this is kielbasa, beef kielbasa, Nate's Way.
Yes, and Nate's Way, in case y'all are wondering, is maple syrup with some cayenne pepper sauteed in there. My lord,
Cast iron
with some
skillet.
caramelization.
Yeah.
So good.
So that sausage, first thing I do, obviously pan-sear it. Get the, oh my god. Let's put it in the pan, let the grease do its thing, let it caramelize a little bit. Throw some cayenne pepper on it. Drizzle some maple syrup on it. Covers the cayenne pepper in there. Delicious.
Delicioso.
The eggs are easy. Just don't stop stirring. Add salt and pepper close to the end. And finish it off with some cream cheese and make it creamy.
I'm not an egg fan. And if I was to eat eggs, I would get it sunny side up.
Should I show you? You know how I am gonna make shit fall. Let's see if it works.
Yeah.
That should be it right there.
Take it closer.
Oh!
Every time. Watch your hands on my shit. Your arm is about to touch my food.
Dude, I had it too. It was good.
Right. You do it every time.
I took my eye off of the camera. I took my eye off the stuff.
You can never win.
My favorite candy. Oh, yeah.
Reese Pieces. You gonna put on the cupcake one too? We're on the cupcake one.
Why not?
You didn't even try it yet. You gotta try it at least without the
Reese's
cupcakes.
And then you already know, just like donut day. 2%.
These crepes are good.
I was so looking forward to this.
Also, guys, we'd like to give a huge shout out to Liliana.
As soon as we seen that comment, we knew that's what the next video had to be. So,
oh yeah,
thank you for commenting your suggestions. Anybody else is welcome to comment their suggestions as well. Because of you, I get to feast.
Yes. So thank you, Liliana.
We like all your suggestions. Please leave a comment down below what you would like to see. And let's eat it. Time to syrup the pancake. I got 5 layers of it. I got 2, right? 4 layers. Dude, that sausage? So good. Here goes the cupcake.
So
Wow. Dude, is that the icing, do you think? Or do you think it's actually made with...
It has the sprinkles in the pancakes, but it's a cupcake pancake, so the pancake may taste like cake. I don't know.
You're missing out.
Well, I would have tried it if we didn't put the Reese's on it.
Reese's are the best. You don't like peanut butter.
I have to want it. I have to like crave it. It's just one of those things.
Mmm.
I'm weird. I'm picky. Let me eat into these hash browns because they just call them my name. Ketchup.
Hey, you too slow. Catch up.
Nice little drizz on top. A little drizzy action.
You eating too slow. Catch up.
You eat too slow. You got all those eggs to eat. You catch up. Mustard. Heard the news. I don't know. Is that a pun? I thought we were going off condiments. I'm not sure.
Possibly.
Gosh darn my tail.
In case you're wondering, there's 12 whole eggs. Mmm. Yes, thank you.
I'm in heaven.
This is amazing. I haven't eaten anything all day. Did you eat anything yet?
I had a smoothie from Tropical Smoothie today.
From where?
Just to hold me over. From Tropical Smoothie. Tropicolata, peeps. Tropicolata. Best smoothie. It's not on the menu, but I get it every time. I don't know how I even heard of it, but
Chicken menu, huh?
maybe.
And Pancakes is getting stuck right here.
Mm-hmm. They'll do that to you. Get all clogged up.
Stop being in your face.
That's a big ass bite.
Sure you don't want none?
Fresh banana. Eat your pancakes, stop eating the green sausage.
That's my favorite. So sticky. I'm fun now. Hope y'all having a good week so far. Today is hump day.
Hump day.
Katie might be leaving again this weekend.
Uh-oh. Yep, me and my best friend are doing a little girls trip. Just a day trip to Virginia Beach this weekend, so.
Y'all ever heard of that game Heads Up? So we're about to play around real quick. I don't know what category we should play though.
Superstars acted out. Animals gone wild.
Well, we can't act it out right now. So.
Blockbuster. Accents and impressions.
Oh, God. That one's always a fun
That
one.
one's so funny.
Really
That's so 90s. We could do 90s. Don't know what that is. I suck. Movie with the green face and Cameron Diaz.
Oh, The Mask.
I want to sing a song, but I don't know. Oh, it just ended.
You're making me lose.
It just ended because low battery.
Wow.
It was Green Day.
I think you need to eat some eggs.
I ain't touching those eggs.
You
I'll throw up.
You
everywhere.
ain't never ate none.
I ain't going to. I told you I wasn't going to. I told you not to make 12 either.
Protein.
Shit. I actually was really upset with what I ordered because my heart was
You was
set.
indecisive.
Babe, no, my heart was set.
It was set on that, but then you
so
changed
set.
it 4 times out the menu.
Yeah, because after that, I was like, no. Because once your mind is set on something, it's so hard to just, oh, let's get this. Haven't tried it, but let me get it. No, it's not. No, because I know I'm not going to be as satisfied.
What were you set on?
Okay, well.
Never heard of it anyway.
IHOP used to have Bananas Foster French toast, and it was to die for, okay? Like, literally, I almost died today because I found out they don't have it anymore.
She wouldn't even get the regular French toast.
No. Bananas Foster. The sauce, it's like, I don't know. It's delicious. It's a delicious sauce. It's the sauces, man. They get me every time. And then the fresh nanners on top. It's so good. I'm upset. I'm getting upset talking about it.
Now you got crepes?
Yeah, and the crepes were actually pretty good, but I mean, obviously did not even touch the Bananas Foster French toast. I mean, those were lame.
You want to try this?
I want to try this corner.
That's got the butter. This is the This is the icing
Outside
that you need. Oh, yes.
Uh-oh.
It's a pancake. Pancake. Oh, that's a pancake.
That is sweet.
I meant to say that's a cupcake.
Pan.
As a pancake.
Pancake.
Oh, it's a cupcake made out of pan.
That's real good.
Did you have some of the icing on it?
Mm-hmm.
So do you think it's more than just the icing that makes it
It could be the whole chunk of butter I just ate too, but I was about to say that's really buttery. That's good. It does taste like cake.
Oh my god, that frosting. It makes it a lot better than that. Regular.
Oh yeah, I bet. Even with the Reese's on top.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know if I could do this bite. I'm so full.
Shimmy shake it. Better. God, you're
Not
gonna give yourself a
better.
headache.
I'm not better. I don't think I could go on any longer.
Bit into a sprinkle.
Oh. Well, there's sprinkles everywhere. So that's probably why you did.
Cheers.
Friends. I'm throwing in the towel. Surrender.
Sausage. I hope you enjoyed this IHOP or IHOB breakfast mukbang. If you like food videos and mukbangs, hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed. Give it a like because it helps out a lot. And just like that, we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.